Hey guys, so I do have an intro to this video, but I wanted to share with you all what it's like making my bed every morning with 2 cats. So my mom got me this like delintifier thingy. It's for pets, and at first I was skeptical about it. I was like, I don't know if these things really work, but oh my god, it completely does. I love it. Not sponsored, I just genuinely really like it. Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Today is the second day of fall when I'm filming this. Yesterday was marked the first day of fall. So today I figured let's do a little vlog. Let's do like a fall decorate with me. And I don't know, this video might have a ton of different things in it, but mainly vlog, fall decorate with me, right? Like, that should be fun. It never feels like fall in Miami, ever. It's hot, it's humid, and that's how Miami is. So I wanted to bring the fall into my home, decorate a little bit. I'm not going all out. My apartment just, you know, is very small. I've said it before, and I don't want to clutter it up with stuff. So we're just going minimal, but enough so that it feels like fall, you know what I mean? So I need a little help though. I don't think I'm getting any like fall pillows or anything like that. If I'm being honest, I might change my mind though, because I have to think about where I'm gonna put all this stuff once it's not fall anymore. Where can I put this really cute blanket, guys? I need an idea. I got this off of Amazon. I love it. It's so cute and bubbly, but like I don't know where to put it. I can't put it here. I mean, I can put it here, like not with the other thing underneath, but I don't know, does it look weird? I tried to put it on the other side of the couch. It just looks, you know, stupid if it's like right here in the middle. You know what I mean? So I need your help. Where do I put this little throw blanket? I'll link it down below if you guys want to get it, but I saw it on Instagram on an ad, and I just had to have it. So yeah, I need to get coffee. I'm like dying. I don't even know how I'm functioning right now. Need to get some coffee, and I'll show you a little sneak peek. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. It's AllThatFresh or KCAT the Boss. I'm in the process of redoing my little shelf here. I didn't like the way it was looking. This bottom shelf is horrible. And so is this one. This one isn't done. And really this second one from the top isn't really done either. It's really just the first shelf. I wanted to just have like a little plant shelf, you know what I mean? So I'm still in the process of decorating that. But anyway, I'm gonna go get some coffee and maybe go to Marshall's to see if I need anything else to decorate my house with, you know? So that's what we're gonna do today. The cats have been driving me crazy as per usual, but you know, nothing new here. Right, gentlemen? They're eating, so I'm not gonna show you them eating. That's just a little gross, you know? Anyway, let's go to Starbucks. So the first thing that I have to do is take out everything that I have and then figure out where I'm gonna put everything. I'm sorry if I'm bending down. It's just, you know, it is what it is. Hey, no! Alright, so I just have some stuff here, nothing crazy. I don't want to go super all out there and everything. So we're gonna work with what I have, and then hopefully it'll feel like fall here in the apartment. Starting with the most important step, lighting a fall candle. If you don't want to buy decorations, but you want fall to still, you know, be in your house, buy a candle, buy one of those cinnamon sticks from Publix, you'll be good to go. So that's pumpkin apple from Bath & Body Works. And then I'm just looking through my things, trying to figure out where I want everything. So that little pumpkin thingy and the hydrangeas I had years ago, so I decided to put that there. And then this slowly became like a clean with me and decorate with me. Even though the apartment was clean, I just felt weird like moving things around and then not wiping everything down. So here I just have some fake fall flowers, and I've had those forever. I've had this runner forever as well. As you can see, it's like bent in the middle, but I just set up the dining table like that. And then this little drawer set, it's right when you walk in, you see it, and I never really show it on camera that much. I don't know why, but I wanted this to be cute because it's the first thing that people see. So I'm just wiping it down, and then I'm gonna put some fall flowers, a little sign. You guys will see. It's so simple, but this is my favorite part of the apartment. Now we're moving on to the kitchen. I had some dishes to put away, and then I'm going to just wipe down the countertops with this Method Daily Granite Spray. And then we're gonna work on the coffee station. Now it took me forever to figure out what I wanted to do here, and even now to this day I hate it. Like, I've changed it 10 million times since this day. So the way I'm decorating it now, it was great for a day and then I've already changed it. So I still love the mugs, like that's cute. I just couldn't figure out, I couldn't make everything work. So moving on, I'm going to clean the sink. I'm taking this Barkeeper's Friend and just scrubbing it around, and then I'm gonna let it sink in, and I'm gonna go ahead and decorate another portion of the kitchen. That is my fall soap, and the fall soap holder thingy is from Bath & Body Works. Both of them are from Bath & Body Works. And now I'm going to decorate the little treat section that my lovely cat loves to just mess around and jump on the counter. Like, it's ridiculous. He actually broke that pumpkin jar, so I don't even have that anymore. So now I'm just scrubbing out the sink, and like, this is my favorite part of cleaning, like making sure I have a clean sink. I know I'm crazy, but you know, we're all crazy adults. And then I got these cute little cat pumpkin hand towels. They're so cute. I got it from TJ Maxx. And then I'm just going to clean the countertop, put that little white pumpkin in the middle, and then boom, simple but cute. Moving along to the TV room, I'm just decorating that little shelf. I love this black and white pumpkin. It's so freaking cute, and it will tie in with the pillows that I buy later on. Alright guys, so I just finished decorating. It took longer than I had hoped because I still want to film a makeup tutorial, but I think I'll have enough time. It was a little hard because there were some things that I wish I had bought at Marshall's, and then other things that I'm like, I guess I didn't have to buy this, you know what I mean? So, and some parts of the apartment I love, and then other parts I'm like, So if I do, I'm not gonna edit this video and upload it today. So if I end up going somewhere else and buying something, I will throw in the new footage. I do wanna go ahead and buy some fall pillows because like, this is just so blue. Like, you walk in, I'm gonna do little videos, but like, you walk in, it's so orange and stuff, and then it's like blue and gray, and then I have like some pops of oranges everywhere, and like the couch needs pillows or throw, you know what I mean? So I'm going to quickly vacuum. It shouldn't take me too long because I vacuumed recently and the floor isn't that bad. I'm gonna mop, and then that's pretty much it. So let's just do that really quickly, and then we're done, you know? You guys have got to go to Marshall's and pick up this Hello Fall scent. Just be careful because they're two different scents and it doesn't tell you the scents on the bottle, so you do have to open them up and smell them. This one smells like apples. It is the perfect fall scent. Like, if you don't like candles, you have to get this room spray. I actually recommend getting this room spray over the candle. It's just delicious. You guys will love it. So I'm just Swiffering. This is not a deep clean, so the Swiffer does the job. It was really quick, cleaned the floors, and then now I'm just showing you around the apartment everything that I changed. And I think this is a great video for those of you who have a small apartment and you just want to decorate decorate a little bit. You don't want it to be too cluttered or anything like that. Just small little pops of color, and it's just a good way to bring fall into your home, like I've said 10 times. So I didn't really show you guys how I decorated this shelf because it took me forever and I'm not super happy with it, so I apologize, but I did go ahead and buy a throw and pillows, and I love the way it looks. Like, this completes the whole apartment. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.